How could anybody do that to a car? This jerk knocked down the crash barrier. He must have ruined my car.
There's something moving over there. We really shouldn't have gone off the road like this.
I guess all the campus areas are overrun.
We're really in it up to our necks.
With the shotgun, our situation will improve. My car can't be far off. We can use that.
What are you complaining about? This dude drives worse than you.
That's real comforting.
But you're insured, right?
Oh, my baby! He crashed my baby!
Don't you think you're exaggerating a bit? And what about Meg, huh?
He